Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the water pump on Mercedes CLS350 W219. The water pump on this car is located on the serpentine belt and it's located on the front of the engine. That's the serpentine belt right there, and this big pulley down there is the water pump. In order to get access to the water pump, first we need to remove the serpentine belt. In order to remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise. That's the tensioner right there that I'm showing. And that's where you catch the tensioner to turn it anti-clockwise. In order to turn it anti-clockwise, so we need a long socket size 17 and a long ratchet to turn the tensioner. This way the belt will get loose and you can remove the belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the serpentine belt out. Next we're going to remove the two parasitic pulleys that are on the water pump. These are the two pulleys that we need to remove. We need to remove them because they're blocking some of the bolts that hold the water pump to the engine. For the first pulley, in order to remove it, we need socket size E12. For the second pulley, we need Allen key size 6. Next, we need to remove the coolant hose that goes onto the water pump. This is the clamp that we need to pull out, and then we'll pull out the coolant hose. All the coolant will come out if you haven't drained the coolant beforehand. Afterwards, we're going to put this coolant hose to the side so that it's not in our way, and we'll start removing the bolts holding the water pump to the engine. So here is the water pump right there. It's kind of a big water pump. There's like 10 bolts, around 10 bolts holding the water pump, and you see where all the bolts are. I'll show you now. There, this one. They're all E11, E12 sockets. And next we're going to start removing the bolts. Now that all the bolts are removed, we can take out the water pump. If the water pump doesn't want to come out, you might want to use a pry bar. In my case, it's coming out very easily. That's what the water pump looks like, and that's what it looks like in the back. Next, I'll show you the bed of the water pump. We need to clean that with maybe with sandpaper. We need to clean out all the dirt and silicone, and then we can put on the new water pump. That's it. I've already cleaned the bed, so now I can put on the water pump. There is a gasket on the water pump. This is the new water pump, and there's a gasket on the water pump that we need to put on. Make sure you lubricate it with grease a little bit. This way it will stick to the water pump, and maybe you put on 2 bolts to hold it from going somewhere. And now we're going to put on the water pump in its place. Once the water pump is in its place, we're going to put on all the bolts and tighten them. Next I'll show you the tightening torques for the bolts for the water pump. Like we've seen, there is two sizes of bolts on the water pump. The bigger bolt is 25 Newton meters tightening torque, and the smaller bolt, which is an M8, is 20 Newton meters. Next I'll show you the routing of the serpentine belt, how it goes around all the pulleys, and then we're done. After replacing the water pump, you assemble everything else in the reverse order, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.